How to install VN Video Editor on Android? Want to start editing videos on your phone like a pro? Let's get VN Video Editor installed on your Android in just few taps. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Now tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in VN Video Editor. Once you type it in, hit search. Now look for the app that says VN Video Editor. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install to begin the installation. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. You'll see the welcome screen and can start creating videos right away. Have you ever used VN before, or is this your first time? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how you can install VN Video Editor on Android. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.